The greatest Airbnb hosts in 2026 and what we can learn from them. In 2026, the short-term rental market is more sophisticated than at any point in its history. What began as a casual home-sharing experiment has matured into a global hospitality ecosystem dominated by professionals, systems, branding, and data analytics. The best hosts are no longer simply good at welcoming guests. They operate like disciplined hospitality entrepreneurs. Although Airbnb does not publish a single global ranking of the greatest hosts, it does recognize exceptional performers through regional host awards, superhost metrics, and host advisory boards. When we examine these standout operators across regions, clear patterns emerge. This article analyzes what defines the top Airbnb hosts in 2026, and more importantly, what you can apply to your own hosting strategy. Hosting in 2026, a professionalized industry. The platform's early years rewarded availability and friendliness. In 2026, excellence requires operational rigor. Top hosts demonstrate strength in 5 key domains: experience design, operational systems, revenue optimization, market intelligence, brand positioning. The highest performers treat their listings as scalable business assets rather than spare rooms. 1. They design experiences, not just properties. The most recognized hosts consistently create emotionally resonant stays. Whether it is a restored heritage home, a minimalist forest retreat, or a hyper-functional digital nomad workspace, the space tells a coherent story. What separates them from average hosts is intentionality. Furniture aligns with a defined aesthetic. Amenities serve a specific target audience. The property communicates identity through design, layout, and messaging. Guests in 2026 are not simply booking square footage. They are booking identity reinforcement, relaxation, adventure, nostalgia, productivity, or exclusivity. Lesson: define the emotional outcome of your stay. Design backward from that objective. 2. They systematize 5-star performance. Top hosts do not rely on personality alone. They build repeatable systems. Key operational characteristics include standardized cleaning protocols with documented checklists, automated but personalized communication sequences, detailed digital guidebooks, clear house expectations, communicated before arrival. Consistency drives review velocity. In a marketplace governed by algorithmic ranking, review quality and recency directly impact search visibility and booking frequency. Elite hosts treat guest satisfaction as a measurable KPI, key performance indicator, not a vague aspiration. Lesson: audit your hosting workflow. Remove improvisation wherever possible. 3. They master revenue management. In 2026, static pricing is operational negligence. The best hosts use dynamic pricing software, adjust for local demand fluctuations, monitor competitor performance, account for seasonal compression events, analyze booking lead time patterns. Revenue optimization is no longer optional. It determines survival in high-density markets. Many high-performing hosts increase revenue not by raising base rates indiscriminately, but by tightening minimum stay requirements during peak demand and lowering friction during off-peak periods. Lesson: study your local booking data monthly. Treat pricing as a living variable, not a fixed number. 4. They specialize instead of generalizing. Average listings attempt to serve everyone. Top hosts define a niche. Common 2026 niches include remote workers and digital nomads, pet-friendly family travel, wellness retreats, accessible travel accommodations, long-stay corporate bookings. Niche clarity improves listing copy, photography decisions, amenity selection, and marketing focus. The greatest hosts understand that specificity increases conversion rates. Lesson: identify your ideal guest avatar and optimize exclusively for that group. 5. They understand platform mechanics. Search visibility on Airbnb is influenced by response time, booking acceptance rate, review quality, calendar accuracy, listing freshness. High-performing hosts regularly update descriptions, refresh images, and refine keywords to remain algorithmically competitive. They also understand cancellation penalties, ranking dynamics, and how pricing changes affect listing impressions. This is platform literacy, a critical competency in 2026. Lesson: study how the algorithm works, optimize behavior accordingly. 6. They build a brand beyond the platform. Many of the most successful hosts in 2026 are no longer dependent solely on Airbnb traffic. They maintain direct booking websites, build email lists, cultivate repeat guest programs, develop social media presence. While Airbnb remains the dominant marketplace, resilient hosts diversify distribution channels to reduce platform dependency risk. Professional hosts think long-term asset value, not just short-term occupancy. Lesson: treat your listing as a brand. Brands survive algorithm changes. 7. They practice proactive risk management. Regulation has tightened in many global cities. Elite hosts stay ahead of licensing requirements, zoning restrictions, tax compliance, insurance standards. Rather than reacting to policy shifts, they monitor local government updates and plan accordingly. Professional hosting includes regulatory literacy. Lesson: know your legal environment. Compliance is part of profitability. 8. They elevate communication into hospitality strategy. Communication is no longer limited to answering messages quickly. The best hosts use structured communication arcs. Pre-booking clarity, pre-arrival anticipation, arrival reassurance, mid-stay support, post-stay follow-up. Tone, timing, and clarity influence review quality more than decor in many cases. Guests often remember how they were treated more vividly than what they slept on. Lesson: map your communication journey from inquiry to review request. 9. They focus on lifetime guest value. The greatest hosts think beyond one transaction. They encourage repeat bookings, long-term stays, direct relationships, referral behavior. A repeat guest reduces marketing cost and increases revenue predictability. Top hosts cultivate loyalty rather than chasing constant new traffic. Lesson: measure how many of your bookings come from returning guests. Increase that number. 10. They operate with a hospitality mindset, not a rental mindset. At the core of the greatest hosts in 2026 is a shift in identity. They do not think, "I rent property." They think, "I run a hospitality business." That mindset influences investment decisions, service standards, marketing strategy, long-term planning. This shift explains why some hosts scale to multiple properties while others stagnate. What this means for you. If you are serious about competing at the highest level in 2026, the path is clear. Systematize operations, embrace data-driven pricing, define a niche, elevate communication, build brand equity, study platform mechanics, maintain regulatory awareness. The greatest Airbnb hosts are not accidental successes. They are disciplined operators combining hospitality psychology, digital marketing literacy, and operational precision. The opportunity remains enormous, but only for hosts who treat excellence as a structured practice rather than a personality trait.